That's Bora outside right now, and it's snowing right now, and she's taking pictures outside in the snow with an umbrella and a tripod. There she goes. It's snowing right now.
She's a dedicated photographer.
Oh, she stopped right in front of our house. And she's taking a picture right now.
No.
Of the street, of the house across from our street.
With her umbrella.
With her umbrella.
Well, I guess it's our umbrella.
I don't know what she's taking a picture of, but she's taking a picture of something.
That's her.
That's Bora.
That's Bora.
Okay, Bora. Bye-bye.